Hi, in this video we will monitor important changes to our organization with CloudWatch events. This tutorial consists on 5 steps. Step 1 will be create trail and event selector. Step 2 configure Lambda function. Step 3 create SNS topic. Step 4 will be create CloudWatch rule and step 5 to test the new OU and the rule that we configured. So in the first place, we will go to the Cloud Trail Management console and configure the trail. The trail name will be my test trail, and here is our Cloud Trail console, and we will create the trail. Trail name I am giving my test trail and create trail. And the bucket is in the bucket S3 bucket has created and test trail has already created. So we select this trail in the management events. Read and write has enabled. Save. After the creation of CloudTrail, we will go to the second step, which is configure Lambda function. In the Lambda function, we will go to the Lambda function console and create function. In create function, we will select a use blueprint and we will type hello world blueprint. Select hello world and configure. In configuration section, we will give name, my function name, which will be the log organization event. Rest of thing will be the same and create. Until it's complete, we will copy this code and remove the existing code and save deploy. So we have successfully created our Lambda function with the same code as mentioned in the tutorial. After this, we will go to the step 3, which is to create SNS topic to send emails to subscribers. In SNS window, we will create the topic by topic name as mentioned in tutorial and the display name organization CW events. So rest of things will same and create topic. Once we create our topic, then we need to go to the subscription and create subscription. We will select the protocol, email, and our email address in the endpoint. Create subscription. As we can see, it has successfully created. So we go to the dashboard, topic, and as we see, it's showing pending confirmation. So we will go to the email to confirm the subscription, and subscription has been confirmed. So in the CloudWatch topic, SNS topic, we can see it has already confirmed. Until this steps, our 3 steps have been completed. Now we need to create the CloudWatch events rule. For that, we need to open the window. Window I already have opened here. And in the rules section, we will create the rule. So the event source will be the event pattern and service name will be the organizations. Event type will only be the AWS API call via CloudTrail. We will mention specific operations. We will name the operations. So we mentioned 2 operations here, create account and create organizational units. So if any activity we have done, we can monitor these 2 steps. Next step is to add target. We will select two targets. One will be the lambda function as mentioned in the previous step, and second one will be the SNS topic. So we select our topics and function and configure detail. We need to give the name. We will mention as in the tutorial. Name and create rule. So once we have successfully created the rule, we will test our event rule. How we can test? We need to create an OU, organizational unit in AWS organization, named as test CWE OU. So for this, we will go to our organization page, tick the main root and create OU. Give the same name as mentioned in the tutorial and create organization unit and wait for some time as we have just created the our new OU. In the CloudWatch, it will show under the group logs and it will come to the email as well. As we can see, we just received the email, and in this emails we have created the test CWE OU. It means our SNS topic, SNS service is successfully running, and we can receive the notification about any change. Now we will check our logs and log group. In the log group, we can see the lambda functions trigger something. And if we open this one, and we can see some logs. Yeah, API call via CloudTrail. Source is the AWS organization. Type is the root. And we need to search for the OU. Yeah, organizational unit test CWE OU. So we have successfully implemented the API call. So lambda functions we are also logging. As mentioned in the tutorial, we found the similar log, and in the last step I will show you how to remove your resources one by one. So first of all, we will go to the CloudTrail console, which I already opened. We just need to select the CloudTrail dashboard, test trail, and delete. It will automatically delete. Next step will be the AWS S3 bucket. In the S3 bucket, we need to first make this one empty, and this one will be the permanently delete. Empty. Once it is empty, we can delete this S3 bucket. Yeah, we have successfully deleted our S3 bucket as well. Now we will go to the Lambda function console. In the function section, this function we created previously and delete. Yeah, we have successfully created our deleted our function. After that, we will go to SNS topic. We have one SNS topic and we can easily delete it here. So after that, we will go to the CloudWatch. And in the CloudWatch, we need to go to the rules. Here in the rule section, we can delete this rule. And in the last, we can delete our newly created organizational OU. Just need to give the name of OU and done. So this is today's tutorial. Thank you very much.